Hey guys, what's up? Always here again. Today I'm going to unbox a few Anker products. These are the very first Anker products I'll be unboxing, so I'm pretty excited and eager to see the quality of the product. I've got the Power Core Plus 2100, Power Wave 7.5 stand, Power Port Plus 5 and the Sound Core 2 speaker. Let's start with the Power Wave 7.5 stand. 30 million plus happy users. Fast charging and 18-month warranty. What could possibly go wrong there? This is cool. Happy or not happy? Support documents. This stand charges the iPhone at 7.5 watts and Galaxy S8 and other supported models at 10 watts. Now this only works if you buy the wall adapter, which I currently don't have. Let's put this to one side. You also get a USB-A to micro USB cable. First impression, this stand is well built, steady, it's got a minimalist profile. You also have a LED light indicator for when the phone is charging. Now let's move on to the Power Port Plus 5. So far, I'm pleased with the last product. Let's open this up. So yeah, we see the Power Port Plus 5. Let's take a look at this. We have a mains adapter. This will power up the Power Port Plus 5. It's got a welcome guide and an adhesive strip, and that's all. Okay, so this thing can charge up to 5 devices simultaneously, including a USB-C device with a technology Anker calls power delivery. Here I'm charging my Power Core Plus, Apple Watch Series 4, Beats Solo 3 headphones, AirPods and my MacBook Pro all at once, and all fast charging. Moving on to the Power Core Plus 2100. Each product packaging is different and there is no consistency. We have the welcome guide and other documents. Oh, come on. Some cables, this is just endless. You get a pouch to keep your Power Core Plus, USB-A to USB-C cable, USB-A to micro USB cable, USB-C to USB-C cable, this is packing some power. It has 2100 mAh battery, has Power IQ for the iPhone. It can charge your USB-C MacBook and charge 3 devices at full speed with 6 amp output. It has 2 USB-A ports and 1 USB-C port. Indicator light showing how much juice it has left to charge your devices, and the LEDs flash to indicate that it's charging. And I'm moving on to the final product, the Anker Sound Core 2. Now, I've not owned a Sound Core before, so I cannot compare it with the previous gen. Here is the help document and the owner's manual. Put this to one side. You get a USB-A to micro USB cable to charge the speaker. First impressions, it's not bad, feels solid and not heavy at all. On the side you get the micro USB slot and a headphone jack. Okay, listen to the sound when it powers on and powers off. Well, from the unboxing and the first expression, I can definitely say the build quality of these products is good, the prices are reasonable, and after reading the reviews, the customer service also seems good. Time will only tell after using these products day to day. Before finishing off, let's compare the sizes of these products next to the iPhone 10. Let me know in the comments below if you want to see an updated video of these products. Link for these will be in the description below. And finally, I'm going to leave you with the Sound Core 2 sound test. See you in the next.
ਅਸੀਂ ਕਰਦੇ ਰਹਿ ਪਿਆਰ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਉਹਦੇ ਲਈ ਮਖੌਲ ਸੀ ਉਹ ਹੱਸਦੀ ਰਹੀ ਮੈਂ ਰੋਂਦਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਦਿਲ ਨੂੰ ਪੈਂਦੇ ਹੌਲ ਸੀ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਵੇਖ ਵੇਖ ਮੈਂ ਖੁਸ਼ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹਣ ਬੋਲ ਜੇ